Hello friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss most important questions of UGC Net Paper 1. So if you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the next coming videos. Now let us see. We have the first question. The first question is, identify the air pollutant in urban areas which irritates eyes and also respiratory tract of human beings. Here the options are: option A, particulate matter; B, oxides of nitrogen; C, surface ozone; D, carbon monoxide. Here the correct answer is option C, surface ozone. Okay friends, now let us see next question. Next question is, research intends to explore the effect of possible factors for the organization of effective midday meal intervention. Which research method will be most appropriate for this study? The question is, research intends to explore the effect of possible factors for the organization of effective midday meal interventions. Which research method will be most appropriate for this study? Here the options are: option A, historical method; B, descriptive survey; C, experimental method; D, ex post facto method. Here the correct answer is option D, ex post facto method is the correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following is an initial mandatory requirement for pursuing research? Here the options are: option A, developing a research design; option B, formulating a research question; C, deciding about the data analysis procedure; option D, formulating a research hypothesis. Here the correct answer is option B, formulating a research question is the correct answer. Formulating a research question is an initial mandatory requirement for pursuing research. Now let us see next question. Next question is, the format of thesis writing is the same as in. The question is, the format of thesis writing is the same as in. Here the options are: option A, preparation of a research paper article; B, writing of seminar presentation; C, a research dissertation; option D, presentation of workshop conference paper. Here the correct answer is option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer, a research dissertation. Okay friends, now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following statements about the Indian political system are correct? Here the statements are: statement A, the president is both head of the state and head of the government; statement B, parliament is supreme; statement C, the Supreme Court is the guardian of the constitution; statement D, the directive principles of state policy are justifiable. Here the correct answer is option D, C only. C only. Okay friends, here the C statements is the only correct answer. The Supreme Court is the guardian of the constitution. Okay friends, now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following are the fundamental duties? Here the statement A, to respect the national flag; statement B, to protect and improve the natural environment; statement C, for a parent to provide opportunities for education to his or her child; statement D, to protect monuments and places of national importance. Here the correct answer is option A. A, B, C statements are the correct answer. Which are the fundamental duties of Indian Constitution? To respect the national flag; B, to protect and improve the natural environment; statement C, for a parent to provide opportunities for education to his or child. These statements are the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which of the following statements are correct in respect of NITI Aayog? Which of the following statements are correct in respect of NITI Aayog? Here the statements are: Statement A, it is a constitutional body. Statement B, it is a statutory body. Statement C, it is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body. Option D, it is a think tank. Here the correct answer is option C. C and D statements are the correct answer in respect of NITI Aayog. Okay, friends, NITI Aayog is neither a constitutional body nor a statutory body. And statement D, NITI Aayog is a think tank. These statements are correct answer. Okay, friends, option C. C and D statements are the correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, the best way for providing value education is through. Here the options are: option A, discussion on scriptural texts. Option B, lecture discourses on values. Option C, seminars, symposia on values. Option D, mentoring reflective sessions on values. Here the correct answer is option D. Mentoring reflective sessions on values is the correct answer. The best way for providing value education is through mentoring reflective sessions on values. Okay, friends. Now let us see next question. Next question is, the National Judicial Appointments Commission has been declared unconstitutional by. Here the options are: option A, the Supreme Court of India. Option B, the High Court. Option C, the High Court and the Supreme Court both. Option D, the President of India. Here the correct answer is option A. The Supreme Court of India is the correct answer. The National Judicial Appointments Commission has been declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court of India. Okay, friends, option A is the correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, which set of learner characteristics may be considered helpful in designing effective teaching learning systems? The question is, which set of learner characteristics may be considered helpful in designing effective teaching learning systems? Select the correct alternative from the quotes given below. Now, the first characteristic is prior experience of learners in respect of the subject. 2. Interpersonal relationships of learners, family, friends. 3. Ability of the learners in respect of the subject. 4. Students' language background. 5. Interest of students in following the prescribed dress code. 6. Motivational orientation of the students. Here the correct answer is option B. 1, 3, 4 and 6 are the correct answers. Option B is the correct answer. 1. Prior experience of learners in respect of the subject. This is also true, correct. And 3. Ability of the learners in respect of the subject. This is also correct. 4. Students' language background. This is also correct. 6. Motivational orientation of the students. This is also correct. Okay, friends. Here the option B is the correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, the use of teaching aids is justified on the grounds of. The question is, the use of teaching aids is justified on the grounds of. Here the options are: option A, attracting students' attention in the classroom. B, minimizing indiscipline problem in the classroom. C, optimizing learning outcomes of students. D, effective management of students in learning tasks. Here the correct answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. Optimizing learning outcomes of students. Okay, friends. The use of teaching aids is justified on the grounds of optimizing learning outcomes of students. Now let us see next question. Next question is, Assertion and reason. Assertion is the purpose of higher education is to promote critical and creative thinking abilities among students. And reason is these abilities ensure job placements. Here the correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, friends? Option B is the correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, in qualitative research paradigm, which of the following features may be considered critical? Here the options are option A, data collection with standardized research tools. Option B, sampling design with probability sample techniques. Option C, data collection with bottom-up empirical evidences. Option D, data gathering to tech with top-down systematic evidences. Here the correct answer is option C is the correct answer. Data collection with bottom-up empirical evidences is the correct answer. Okay, friends? Option C is the correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, from the following list of statements, identify the set which has negative implication for research ethics. The question is, from the following list of statements, identify the set which has negative implication for research ethics. Here the options are statement. From the following list of statements, identify the set which has negative implication for research ethics. Here the statements are: 1. A researcher critically looks at the findings of another research. 2. Statement: related studies are cited without proper references. Statement 3. Research findings are made the basis for policy making. Statement 4. Conduct of practitioner is screened in terms of reported research evidences. Statement 5. A research study is replicated with a view to verify the evidences from other researchers. Statement 6. Both policy making and policy implementation processes are regulated in terms of preliminary studies. Here the correct answer is option C. 2, 4 and 6 statements are the correct answer. Okay, friends? 2, 4, 6. Okay, friends? Related studies are cited without proper references. And 3 statement: research findings are made the basis for policy making. And statement 6: both policy making and policy implementation process are regulated in terms of preliminary studies. Okay, friends, these are the correct answer. Okay, friends, option C is the correct answer. Now let us see next question. Next question is, in a research on the effect of child rearing practices on stress proneness of children in competing school projects, the hypothesis formulated is that child rearing practices do influence stress proneness. At the data analysis stage, a null hypothesis is advanced to find out the tenability of research hypothesis on the basis of the evidence available. The null hypothesis is rejected at 0.01 level of significance. What decision may be warranted in respect of the research hypothesis? Here the options are: option A, the research hypothesis will also be rejected. Option B, the research hypothesis will be accepted. Option C, both the research hypothesis and the null hypothesis will be rejected. Option D, no decision can be taken in respect of the research hypothesis. But here the correct answer is option B. The research hypothesis will be accepted. Okay, friends? Option B is the correct answer. So friends, this much only for today. If you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the next coming videos. Thank you, friends.